Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add image in Miro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Miro, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding images in Miro, a collaborative online whiteboard platform, is a very easy and a straightforward process because images can convey complex ideas or concepts more effectively than text alone. They provide visual references that enhances understanding and clarity during discussions or presentations. There are two ways for you to add image or add images here in Miro. Number one is hover down to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on more apps. Okay, let me do that. Now you see there's going to be an upload option here, and when you click it, you have an option to upload any files, special images on your device, on your local directory, upload via URL, save files, Web Clipper, Adobe CC, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Now, I'm going to click the My Device for now. And once you've done that, here is going to be the image. All right? Now, the thing is, if you click again on More App, on this More Apps, there's a section that says images and icons. All right, you see, if you wanted to upload image right here, add image, you can use this one if you don't want to upload a specific file from your directory. All right, you can simply choose from any of these and simply click and it's going to be forwarded. Now the next option is just go to your file folder and drag and drop the file directly here. You see, we already have two images, and it's up to you how to resize all these so that it can fit your Miro dashboard. All right, it's a very straightforward process. Now, you can also click on the More Apps again, and if you wanted to upload via the URL, if you save that on a different website, or like a WeTransfer platform, you can do so by clicking Upload via URL. By clicking this link and just put the URL here. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.